Hello, and welcome to your new house. Let me just take you in. Let me show you the roof first. Over here you have a helipad with your own helicopter, of course. Over here you can enter, and here you have a dining room sort of thing. You have a mini bar where you can watch the Starry Night, and everything is glass, of course. You have this small kitchen where you can come, and now you have a microwave, some stuff there. Over here is your garage. It also comes with two Mercedes. You have this is the main bedroom of the house. Over here, oh, this is the entrance of this house. This is the other bedroom, and here is the first of the two toilets. It has this grey style to it. Over here is the other toilet, which has this orangey style to it. Oh, that's your helicopter. And this is your Land Rover.